Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 1997. The Burgundy is back. Boom. Anyways, I'm up at my buddy Adam's office here.
Yo.
And I'm walking up here and I said, Adam, your friend's a floor covering installer and he's got you up with this nasty looking ripped apart seam here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this 6-inch tape somebody thought was a good idea to put on here. And we're going to burn him a new seam. And I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how easy this really is. Stay tuned. So we're back here. We've got everything taken apart. This seam's going to go together really, really simple. Now, question is, should I seal my seams on a repair? I'm going to leave that up to you. This carpet, I'm not kidding when I said 1997, so that's what? Somebody do the math. 25 years? 25-year-old carpet. I'm going to repair this seam, but I ain't warranting anything on this carpet. It's 25 years old. Go to the car dealer, see if you can get a warranty on a 25-year-old car. Ain't going to happen. But we're going to get going with the Cool Glide. Pair that up with the Seamer Down Now systems tested and proven by Styrofoam to work. So this actually uses radio frequency. When you actually power this thing on, we call it zap it. What it does is it sends a frequency into this paper. It's a foil paper covered with an adhesive. It's pretty cool. So if you had a radio going, it'd go staticky when this machine's actually like running.
So is that on the FM band?
You'd ask me that because I have no clue. I think it's all the bands. It's like when you sometimes you plug in a battery charger, it does the same thing. Like,
I think it would almost have to be on the FM band because that's a penetrating band.
okay.
Where like AM, it bounces.
Well, that fun fact, I didn't know that. All right. Well, I also did not grab my seam, my tractor, my roller. I think we're going to be okay, Adam. You trust me.
Oh yeah, with my life.
I'm happy. Bringing back the 90s. Hope Rosie don't. That's actually a shop vac motor there. So hope Rosie doesn't get a little jealous when you run this thing in here. She gets a little. I don't want her getting too upset with you. All right, guys. Styrofoam proven systems for success. Here we go.
All right, give me just a second, John.
Oh, you're fine. You just jump in whenever. We can get you. You probably do have to actually like work when you're at work, right?
No, I'm just working on the permissions for this video.
Oh! Yeah, we don't do it. We just wing it. Go with it, and then, well, it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission, Adam. So we've got the tool right there. It's heating up. It's reacting or reactivating that thermoplastic adhesive. Fancy word for hot glue. All I'm going to do is I'm going to work that yarn around a little bit.
Work it, John.
Work it, baby. There we go. Like I said, 25-year-old carpet where the seam ripped apart. There ain't no warranty on this. And that's just going to kind of expedite the cooling process a little bit. They've stuck all that adhesive up into that vacuum. It's also taking some of that heat out of there. There's probably a way to do this quicker, but I don't know of a way that's better. I like it. Not bad for just taking something that's been cut for 20-some years, putting it right back together. Done. Just like that, we're done. We didn't have to disrupt, didn't have to pull anything up. Look at that, everybody wants to call the fluorinator. Not sure it's not, that's potential spam. When you're big time, you get that stuff put on. As much as I'd like to talk to you about my car insurance or my...
I'm pretty sure that's Hormel.
I'm just gonna tuck that tape back underneath there. Come right here, Adam. I'm gonna tuck you back down. I'm gonna put Rosie to work here a little bit, looks like.
Yeah. Just complaining about no batteries at the moment, though.
All right. Is it beautiful? Yes. Is it perfect? Probably not. Is it 25 plus years old? Yes. This is what you could probably expect from a carpet repair on some material that would be of this age. You know, there's only so much we can do, but this is functional now. This is still able to work. Adam's able to walk in here and not trip on anything. And then he also knows that, hey, he did such a great job on a piece of carpet that's 25 years old. I bet he can do some fantastic stuff on something that's brand new. So thanks for watching, guys.